Hey everyone, what's going on? Better Mechanic here. Another installment of the 2014 GMC Sierra. What I'm going to show you today is the side marker lights on the rear of the truck. I'm just going to show you there's a simple replacement of the bulb. Alright everybody, stay tuned. Alright, so first thing you need to do, guys, is take off this Torx bolt and that Torx bolt. It's going to be a very tiny Torx, and I don't know if it'll focus. Probably not. But it's a small Torx. I'm just putting it into a screwdriver end, and just as simple as that. Comes out. Top one. Out. Simple as that. And then what you got to do now is grab the tail light from the side where you can see my hand, and unfortunately this hand will go down the side of it, and you kind of just grip it and you're going to pull. Now it's going to take some effort, but you just kind of pull. There we go. Don't worry, that didn't break, it's just that aggressive. And now what you're going to see is this right here is that side marker bulb. So you just twist to unlock, pull it out. There's the bulb. The bulb is nice and black. Get you that chrome black look to it. Kind of just gives you an indication that it's obviously bad, minus the fact that it doesn't work. But alright, so you get your new bulb, put that into the socket, make sure that's nice and clipped in, and there we go. And then all you gotta do is just put it back in the hole. You will have these slits right here, which, here, come here guys. I don't know why you gotta be so far away. There we go. So you're gonna have these slits right here, and those are gonna line up with these fingers here and here. And all you do is just put it in just like that, and then you're gonna twist. There you go. Don't know if you heard the lock, but you'll hear it like click, thud in. And it's simple as that, guys. It's really a quick, easy fix. All you gotta do now is just push it back in. There you go. Now it's back in. Alright, you ain't gotta be that close to me. And let's get you right about there. We go. Alright, now let's put your Torx bolts back in. I'm sure there's a Torx spec out there somewhere for these, but to be honest, guys, just tighten them up, just snug them up. I mean, it's a fucking tail light. Just tighten it up, snug it up, make sure it's good, make sure you're comfortable with putting it back in that way. All right, now let's go to the other side. All right, so same thing as the driver's side that I showed you. Just loosen up the top Torx bolt, get that out of your way. Then your bottom Torx bolt, get that out of the way. There we go. And then again, it's just as simple as pulling this out, which sometimes it's simple, sometimes it's not. There we go. She's out. Good. Oh. Wow. That would explain why this one isn't working. This is why I showed you both sides, because sometimes you can come up with problems like that. This one wasn't in the socket, and she is quite corroded. Now, you see that blue right there? That's corrosion. And I'm just gonna, apparently, I'm just gonna throw it around, guys. All right. So you got the corrosion, and the bulb is what looks like it's got some film on the inside, or it is, I mean, it is winter. It could just be rolled salt from the road. But let's do that. Put that off to the side. Let me check inside here. Alright. Let me go grab a pick. I'll be right back. Alright. So, I got this flathead screwdriver. I know I said I was going to get a pick, but this flathead screwdriver has got ribs in it. And what I'm going to basically use those ribs for is to technically use it as a file. Because just this one side I have some corrosion on, and I don't want to damage the fingers that connect to the light bulb. See, like right there, look at that. Let's see here, can you guys see that? There we go. See that blue? That's all that corrosion. So we're just gonna try to scrape that out as much as possible. Get that nice and cleaned. And the fingers that are inside here, they're copper, and I don't want them to get bent out to where they're not going to connect to the bulb anymore. So I figured this would be a better option. And also what I can do too is just simply bend them back out a little bit. Once I get all this crud out of here. There's quite a bit built up here. Now, I know some of you guys may not agree with the method that I'm doing this in, but this is the way I do it. This is the way I've seen it work before. So, I'm confident that it's going to work now. And sorry if you can't see it. I'm trying to not be in your way. So, here, let's actually move you guys closer. And let's go. Let's see here. There we go. Let's see. Am I in your way now? No, I'm not in your way. Okay, good. Perfect. You guys can kind of see where I'm going with this. There we go. Bend that back out. Here. Bend that one back out. Get a nice firm connection on it. All right. Well, now it's time for the bulb. Let's put the bulb in. There we go. Now it's just like the other side, guys. How I told you, these two fingers got to line up. Got to line up with these slits. So let's put that in there. Now eventually, I'm thinking about going to LED side marker lights. Same with the LED reverse light. Let me know what you guys think of that. Is that what you guys have in your cars or trucks? Never done that before for the reverse lights or tail lights, or I mean side marker lights, sorry. But yeah, just let me know in the comments below if that's what you guys like or don't like. That one was a little hard to go in, but she's in now. All right. But yes, anyways, guys, sorry. Just let me know below in the comments. And let me know if you guys like LEDs or if you prefer conventional bulbs. There we go. Push that right back in. Or if you guys have never tried it before, because you know what, I can make a video of doing that too. So just let me know, and I will show you guys how to put those in. Oh, here, you guys are looking away. Why are you looking away? Here we go. This is how you learn. There we are. There you guys go. Putting the top Torx bolt in. Now I'm not pushing on this. I'm just resting against it while I tighten it up. You don't need to push on it. It sits right in there nice. I'm just the angle I'm at to try to stay out of your guys' way is best for me. So, but all right, let's see here. All right, there's that one. Double check this one. There's that one. That one's good. All right, everyone. So, all right, everyone. So that's it. That's what it takes to do the side marker lights. Again, let me know if you want me to do LED reverse lights and side marker lights, or change out the lights altogether. I'm kind of partial with the stock ones, but I'm not sure. So just let me know in the comments below, guys. All right, everyone. It's your veteran mechanic here, and you have a good one. See ya. Hey, everyone. Just figured I'd give you a quick sneak peek of what it would look like with the bulbs working. There we go. This right here is where that bulb was blown. Reverse light. Again, guys, let me know. You want me to change these to LEDs or not? If so, like, comment, subscribe. Keep me posted. All right, everyone. Have a good night. Bye.